Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. And for those that are just now visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Phyllis and I want to thank you for stopping by. And then for those who continue to visit my channel, my faithful followers, thank you so much for tuning in. So this is a trash Family Dollar, thrift store, Amazon haul. And I'm going to start with the smallest things and share with you where I got them from, and then also some things that I've already used, but I want to show it and share it with you anyway. And then I ordered some stuff yesterday that came in today, and since that came in, I said let me go ahead and do this here haul. What this is about. So let me start with the trash haul. And I'm at my daughter's place and there's a lady that lives across from her. She puts out very good things. I mean, nothing wrong with the stuff. And we talked with her and asked her why she puts things out where there's nothing wrong with it. She said she just accumulated a lot of stuff over the years, and instead of just throwing it away, she puts out on the side, hoping someone gets it, and the one that is getting it is me. A lot of times my daughter, she knows I'm a DIY, so she gets the stuff and she brings it to me, and of course we clean it up. And stuff that has never been opened that she's used, so I'm getting ready to share this with you now. So the first thing I want to share with you, and some of the stuff you might have seen in videos that I've already recorded too in the past month, but this clear vase she put this out and my daughter knew I would like it. It's nice and heavy. I put a Dollar Tree mirror on the bottom of it because I like the reflectiveness of the mirror through the glass. She not threw it away, but she put it on the side, and whoever picked it up would get it. And it was me. And again, like I said, we cleaned these things. We got them. She also put this box full of craft stuff. Now the paints are mine, but I'm going to, she had glue gun, two of them actually, two glue guns, some sponge, never opened, sponge pouncers is what it's called, leather studio sticks, I don't know what that is, coloring glitter pens, and brushes that never were opened. There was another pack in here with a brush, a little bit bigger, never opened. She just put this case to the side of the road, and my daughter knew I did DIYs, not the side of the road, on the sidewalk actually, and she had it all in this case and just put it out. So I got me a bucket of craft stuff for free. And then my latest thing that she put out, I'm trying to, here it is, I wrote down my thing so I don't have to remember. Trash. Oh, that 3 baskets. She put this basket out there, this basket out there, and my daughter's already put water bottles in there, and this basket out there to the side. Nothing wrong with any of it. And then the last thing that she put out there was this beautiful faux plant hanger. And I'm giving this to my daughter that stays here. And it is beautiful. We also sprayed the stuff with Lysol. We wiped it down, sprayed it with Lysol. And it is absolutely beautiful. That was the trash haul. Like I say, this lady puts out stuff quite often. Now for the next haul is my Family Dollar haul. I will link a clip of things that I got that I've already used, like the curtain. I got a curtain from Family Dollar for $5.50. I used that to cover a plate, and that was in the tablescape collaboration of the Bold, Blue, and Beautiful. And I also got flowers, a bushel. They have some beautiful flowers. A bushel of flowers from Family Dollar. I've cut the blue off the stems already. Let me kind of get it all together here so it doesn't look like a mess. This was a small little bushel. I mean, it was on one stem, and I cut them because I like to stick them intermittently with other things. Here's a blue. And then I got these pink ones, and they are like $3 for a bushel. And here I got 5 from Family Dollar. And I love the way they come together as a cluster. And then also I got this from Family Dollar as well. And I cut this too as also. And this was on one bushel, $3. If any of you all watched the lantern collaboration that was hosted by Kenya, on there you'll see 2 hanging tea light mason jar, tea light candle holders. I got that from the Dollar Tree. That was the only thing I got from the Dollar Tree, and they were $1 a piece. That was the haul. I said Family Dollar, but that was the Dollar Tree. The rest of these things, other things, was from Family Dollar. And then Fix All from the Dollar Tree. Now the reason why I'm showing this is because when I started doing DIY projects over, well, as far as uploading to my YouTube channel over a year ago, I started out using E6000 because that's what I saw everybody else using. I like E6000 except for the fact that it continues to ooze out. This doesn't do that, and I like it, and this lasts longer to me. Again, no, and I'm not advertising for Family Dollar or anything. I'm just sharing that I like the Fix All adhesive. It's $1 tube, but this little tube lasts me a long time for some reason, more than E6000. I guess because the E6000 is oozing, and it seems like it just dries up in the tube to me. So I purchased a lot of these, and yep, that's it for Family Dollar. And then again, Dollar General, I got this and the mason jar tea light candle holders. Now for the thrift store haul, when they opened back up, we went in there, and it's now the ones that we go to here in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm sorry, I'm looking on the board. It is now mandatory to wear face masks. So we went in there, and I got, and you might have seen this on my Mother's Day tablescape, I think. If not Mother's Day tablescape, I did it on the date night tablescape. This Eiffel Tower, and it was $10. Got it for $10. This is from a thrift store. I got this clock, $5 from the thrift store. $5.99. Sorry, $5.99. Let's see. Oh, and I got this white pitcher. This was in my utensil tablescape. And I forgot how much I paid for this. And the funny thing is, when I went on Pinterest to get some ideas, this exact picture was in one of those, matter of fact, it's the thumbnail that I used that had this picture in, that the inspiration that I got from Pinterest. Got this picture, and again, I'm looking on my sheet so I can stay on track. Got the Eiffel Tower, the picture. Oh, and I got a teapot for $2.99, and I like that. I have the clock I showed with you, and then I got this, and it's nice and heavy. This beautiful crystal, I think it's a wine bottle. You put wine in or whatever you want. You can put anything you want in it. On here it says $19.99, and I believe I got this half off. I got it for $10 because this was a 50% markdown, and it is very heavy and it is beautiful. I love this top. And then the last thing I got from the thrift store was this horse, and it was $7.99. Now, I did not get this horse for my granddaughter as a toy. I'm going to do a DIY. I'm going to make it my own sculpture, and I wiped it clean and sprayed it. Everything I wiped clean and sprayed it. I'm going to cut the hair off, the tail off, and I'm going to either buy some fake hair to glue back in, or some kind of way I want to figure out how to do it. I'll put a screen, some pictures across the screen so you can see what I am picturing to do. If I decide not to do that, then I may change it into a unicorn, because my granddaughter's into unicorns. But she has so much stuff now, so there would be no place to put this thing. But that's what I saw in mind when I first saw it on the floor at the thrift store, to make it just an art sculpture. And biggest haul is Amazon. Let me see. Okay, I'll start with this. I got in my basket here, and I just got some yesterday, and I just started opening to take them out of the bag. And that are these crystal knobs. And I bought chalk paint, and I've used this already on some things. I've used it on my daughter's armoire that I changed into a bar armoire. I used it on the lantern. I used the paint on, no, I didn't use it on this fireplace. Some other things, but it's the acrylic gesso paint. Oh, and I used it on my daughter's railing on her patio, because I participated in the outdoor living space collaboration, and I had 2 of these, and this paint goes a long way. The one thing that I did not know is that it was chalk paint, and this is very good chalk paint. It goes a long way. And again, I got this from Amazon. I will do my best to link everything that I purchased from Amazon in my description box if you're interested in any of these. But I got this from there. This is the paint, and excuse the can because I was painting yesterday my daughter's fireplace and still got a pretty good bit left over. I'll put a picture on the screen so you can see what it says, because there's paint all over this can. It says mold and mildew proof interior paint, satin finish, and the color is white. Got that from Amazon. And let's see what else is on my Amazon sheet. So now I'm showing you white paint. Oh, Mod Podge. Just about done using this. Got this big thing of Mod Podge because of all the crafts that I do. Still on there. I got these beads. I'll put a screen across. I've just about used them all. I used them on the canvas art, and I'll flash a picture of the canvas art across the screen too. And this is what I have left of the beads from Amazon. I got these brushes, 25 piece in a pack. I got 1 pack of those from Amazon. And I got these silver plates from Amazon, and I used them. I added them to a DIY wall decor, mirror decor piece that I made for my daughter about 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago, and I just added them to there, and I'll flash a picture of that across the screen. I found out about these through LGQUEEN's husband when he did a project for her. He shared these, and that next day I went online and ordered them. I'm glad that I did, because that following week I went online to order them, and they said they are unavailable and don't know when they're going to be available. I looked online again yesterday, and they're still not available. I ordered 4 packs of these. Like I said, I've used some already on my daughter's art, and I have these left. And then I saw that they have round ones, so I ordered some round ones too. And again, these came from Amazon. And to finish up, this is gaffer tape, and this is 2" by 30 yards. And then I ordered two, since I got this glue gun, I ordered this bulk of glue sticks, 10" glue stick, and this one is a different one, Solidbonder, 5 pounds. So this is a 5-pound box, and this is a 6-pound box. And then lastly, for my Amazon haul, I watched Treshaja, Treshaja, her YouTube channel. Sorry, Tresha, if I'm messing up your name or not doing it completely, but she has an amazing channel, and I watched her live interview, or not interview, but question Q&A on Sunday, and she mentioned this in another video about this Mitre box, and I want to try to make my own frames. She has a video, and if you're interested in that and haven't seen that, I will link her channel. I will link that video that she shared how to cut wood using this. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.